Good morning. This is Jayasurya from the TactLabs community and the Featurepreneur community. And today I'll be giving my testimony about how my experience was with TactLabs as an intern. So the experience of being an intern in TactLabs was absolutely surreal. Uh, it started from the moment when Sir asked me to lead a team consisting of three wonderfully talented members. At this point, I would like to thank Raja sir for believing in my abilities to guide a team. The experience was actually surreal, to be honest, because uh, it is not like interning with any other company. The I had a set of expectations about a company, about working as an intern in a company. But working as an intern in the Stack Labs community has broken all my expectations, to be honest, because I, as an intern, I only expect to work and work until my internship tenure gets over. But along with my work and my uh, and the breaks required, sir has been extremely flexible about the timings I can take off, and also it is not only about the work that we do; it is also about the fun periods that we have, as we say, because as we say, like too much of work always leads to unproductivity. And the fun things that happened during our TactLabs internship was having a set of games during the weekends. It was not like any other games, but the games which helped us to grow our knowledge in, and also rewarding them in case if we win the game. All this helped us as an intern to participate in many more extracurricular activities, which is much more needed in this period of time that other students do not take as seriously, because they only focus on what should be going into the resume rather than building these soft skills. So according to me, these soft skills is much more needed than the theoretical knowledge that we gain from any other colleges or any other institutions, because the moment that we work, that the moment the time which we go into the office and work in, we will not be using all our theoretical knowledge, but it is only about how to build our network, and also how we manage to interact with the other skills, other employees and other colleagues as well. So I would say this was an extremely awesome opportunity for other interns to get to know about each other, and also the special sessions that was held every week or every bi-weekly about known as the Ask Me Anything, which enabled us to connect with the industry experts and industry domain people, so that we can know about what is happening in the domain when we ourselves are only being in the college as such. So I would like to thank the opportunities that it was given to us, and also I would love to contribute more to the team if needed from me. And yeah, so that has been the experience of working as a intern at the TAC Labs, and I wish all the best for the future interns who work here. Cheers.